As you guys know, we'll be going to Wyoming for a vacation, and then, we'll be driving instead of taking an airplane. So I'm excited for this. Then we'll just take turns, and my dad will drive like five hours. I'm gonna drive like 5 hours. My mom's gonna drive like 4 hours, something like that. Anyways, this is gonna be my first vlog, so the camera is gonna be a little bit wobbly. I'm probably not gonna be good at it, but hope you guys enjoy the vlog. And as you can see, it's really dark outside. My dad's driving. I'm gonna take the turn, and then I'll be driving next. 561 miles left. Okay, my turn to drive now. Let's go.
Gosu Hoon driver.
And then my mom's gonna finish it off. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. After hours of driving, finally we got to Wyoming. And then first thing we did was to go to the national park, Yellowstone, instead of going to the hotel because the hotel wasn't opened yet. And from now on, you will see lots of stuff in the national park. And enough of me talking, and hope you guys enjoy. Okay, look at this. We got a wild buffalo. Look, you guys see that? Everyone's stopping to take a video of him. This guy's huge. Oh my god. Like, look how big this shit is. Look how big. Look, compared to the car, look how big. Oh. Yo guys, look at that. What if he just rushes into us? Oh. Hi. Wow. After the buffalo, we first went to see a place called Mammoth Hot Spring, and this is the view. It was really great there. Guys, look what I found. Oh no. And this is the Upper Falls, which is one of the biggest waterfalls in Yellowstone, and it was phenomenal. Wow. We're gonna go to the fall. Close to the fall. See you there. 어머니, 사진 찍어 여기서? 비디오 찍고 있어. So this dog was basically me on the second day, and then the cabin we were staying in had full of bugs and smelling bad. The picture they put on the website was completely a lie. We got scammed. Shit. And then Wi-Fi and LTE were just non-existent, and I don't even remember when's the last time I didn't have internet. Probably when I was like 2 years old, right? So it was really painful, but at the same time it was a great lesson to not have an internet and going to bed at like 9 p.m, which was miracle for me. But anyways, yeah. So as you can see here, all the trees are kind of burnt, right? And it's because of the wildfire, just like the one that they're having in California. And it was actually my first time seeing it with my eyes, and it was really devastating. I hope it doesn't repeat. We found another buffalo on the way, and I was kind of scared at first, but I kind of got used to it after staying in Wyoming. they're not boiling, so I don't think they're like that hot, but still hot enough to kill you for sure. Let's see the other ones. There's another big one here. Black sea. This one's hot. Oh shit. Rock, paper, scissors. Loser jumps. Twin geyser. Ooh. Not bad. And then we went to the horse farm to ride some horse. It was probably the best experience that I had in Yellowstone. It was really cool. Here we're just waiting for them to pick the horse for us. You can see everyone's just so relaxed in this state, which is something that I love about. Even the dogs are relaxed right now. It's crazy how it's really peaceful here. Dang it. Let's go. Stanger. Let's go. Go. Oh. Yikes. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh. Imagine dropping a phone here. Oh man. Oh man. Ah. And after the great time with Stanger, we decided to go to the one of the most popular places in Yellowstone, which was called the Old Faithful Geyser. This geyser is the most popular geyser in Yellowstone because it shoots the water out so high, and then it's really predictable when it's gonna shoot the water out, right? And we'll go see that right now. I tell you that it was OP, and you guys will see it in a second. And as you can see here, there's so many people waiting for it, even though the time is not even up yet. And you guys will see in like 20 minutes there will be a lot more people here. And it's because this one represents Yellowstone. Like, if you don't look at the Old Faithful Geyser in Yellowstone, that doesn't mean that you didn't go to Yellowstone, you know? That's why there's so many people, and you guys will see why in a second. It's like, it's crazy. But it only lasts for like a few seconds, which was kind of disappointing. Oh. 터진다. Let's go. Oh. Wow.
Sounds like a water.
Wow.
Where those birds go?
Wow. How big is it?
계속 올라가.
for 3 days in Wyoming. Every food we had was kind of bad. Hopefully this pizza makes it up. I mean, overall, the trip is nice. You get to experience lots of things that you can't in Seattle, but food is very bad. Hella mosquitoes. You see? Third, no Wi-Fi. Not even LTE. Nothing. All you have is trees, buffaloes, no mammoth. If you like the nature and stuff like that, sure, totally. But if you're an ML addict like me, this is not. It's not for your place. That's not for you for sure. Oh shit. Oh. 1 a.m. Finally got here. Came back from Wyoming. Oh, finally. Korean food. Shit. Oh shit. I'm alive. Oh shit. Dog Wyoming. Just no Wi-Fi everywhere, bro. Oh my god. My PC. Oh, by the way, guys, for Wyoming, that place is really refreshing, right? Lots of mountains, lots of wild animals. Did I tell you the cabin that we stayed in had no Wi-Fi? Okay, no Wi-Fi, I totally understand. Yes, like no Wi-Fi, sure, that's like a camping experience, but no signal, that's another thing. I can't even use LTE. Like if someone comes into our room, it's like murders us, like we can't even call the police. It was actually not bad. Once in a while, just for a few days, go there, refresh your minds, come back. If you guys have a chance to see buffalo, you should. They're crazy. Like I've never seen a cow looking like animal that is that big. It's as big as this car. It was a fun experience. But it was fun, but I would never go again. I like city. I'll probably go LA next time. Guys, let me know if you have any if you know any cool places in your area that you want me to go. Probably next year when the COVID kind of dies out, I'll probably like travel all around, do vlogs and stuff. But anyways, guys, I will see you when I get there. I'll turn it on again. Peace out.
Muscle up.